Portable cleaning power wherever you need it with the convenient Wagan Cordless Power Washer. This compact power washer has plenty of cleaning power and can deliver up to 900 PSI water pressure to help you clean around your car, garage, or home. The portable kit includes an adjustable spray nozzle, 2 rechargeable batteries, water hose, water filter, garden hose connector, foam pot, and carrying case. Have a water source nearby? Then connect the Wagan Power Washer to your garden hose for easy high-pressure rinsing and cleaning. You can change the spray pattern between 0, 15, 25, and 40 degrees, plus jet and shower modes. The water hose provides constant water to your power washer and can be turned on or off from the hose connector. Each battery pack can provide up to 40 minutes of cleaning, which is ample time to give your car, RV, or home a thorough washing. Simply plug into the included AC adapter to recharge as needed. Don't have a water source nearby? Fill a wash bucket with clean water and use the included 16-foot tangle-free water hose and water filter to provide water to the power washer. Simply place the water filter into the water bucket and the power washer will feed water to it for high-powered cleaning and rinsing. The super convenient design allows you to clean just about anywhere. Need to give your vehicle a wash? Fill the foam pot with car wash soap and connect it to the power washer to give your car or truck a foamy car wash before scrubbing and rinsing. Use the high-pressure cleaner to rinse dirt and grime from fencing, siding, patio furniture, and more. Use it also to clean large vehicles like RVs and trailers. You'll find numerous uses around the home and garage for the cordless Wagan Power Washer.